The issue here is the status of these people in Myanmar. This is where the root cause of this displacement lies. There are recommendations on how to address these root causes, and we have voiced our call to implement the decisions of the Commission led by Kofi Annan. Those were announced, the recommendations were announced just prior to the outbreak of violence. And as for the discussions at this stage, these are bilateral discussions between the two countries. There were earlier examples of that. We are interested to learn more about these discussions and the details of those.
Myanmar wasn't recognizing these people as citizens.
Regardless of the modalities, for us, it's important that the refugees decide on their own whether they want to return and how and when. And the conditions on the ground need to be conducive for them to go back.
So has anything legally changed in your view?
We have clearly said from the outset they are refugees, they are fleeing what is a textbook refugee scenario. They are fleeing discrimination, persecution and violence in the country where they lived, and for that reason they have crossed an international border into another country. We have seen an increasing trend of diarrheal disease cases, including cases of diarrhea with severe dehydration. So far, refugees with these conditions have been treated at clinics run by UNHCR and other agencies and at local public health facilities.